Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Melt 1 kilogram of palm oil gently until it reaches 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Work only with a heavy pot and steady low heat to avoid scorching. Measure out 1 to 2% bleaching clay and 0.5% activated charcoal by weight. Add the solids to the warm oil and stir gently for 10 minutes to suspend particles. After settling, add 3% hydrogen peroxide and maintain 60 to 70 degrees Celsius for 30 to 60 minutes. Start by melting oil and adding measured clay and activated charcoal while warm. Stir gently for 10 minutes so solids suspend and absorb pigments. Allow the mixture to settle for 20 to 30 minutes so large particles drop. Carefully decant or pour through double cheesecloth into a clean container to remove bulk solids. Reheat the decanted oil to 60 to 70 degrees Celsius and add 3% hydrogen peroxide slowly. Maintain that temperature for 30 to 60 minutes while stirring occasionally for even bleaching. Always work in a well-ventilated space and wear gloves, goggles, and a respirator. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and avoid open flames near heated oil and peroxide. After peroxide treatment, cool the oil slightly and allow any residual peroxide to dissipate by air exposure for several hours. Optionally add a pinch of sodium bicarbonate to neutralize traces before filtering. Finalize by filtering the oil through fine filter paper or a vacuum filter to remove tiny particles and prepare it for soap making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.